Hi everybody and welcome back to another episode here on Janorama. The story behind this is that some days ago I commented on a lovely German lady's waffles. That just sounds so wrong. Anyway, I told her about my recipe and she told me about her secret recipe. So I'm not sure if this is a German twist, if this is, a classical German recipe for waffles. But I know that our waffles are the same. So, the base recipe is not going to be that much different. But her secret ingredient in her waffles is lemon. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna swap out my cinnamon and I'm gonna put in half a lemon into my batter. But why stop there? I'm also gonna split the batter in half and I'm gonna use lime in the other half. So we're gonna do a testing and see what's going to be the better waffle. But since this is not a cooking show, I'm gonna skip the batter and I'm gonna come back and get you when the batter is done and when we put in this citrus. Alright, so I'm done with the batter. I've split it in half so that I have just as much in each of the bowls. Now let's add the citrus. And here's a trick for you if you didn't know this, but the way to get the most out of it, I don't have a juicer. So the way that I use to get the most out of the lemon is by, you press down hard, you squeeze it a little bit, just roll it on the table like this. So by doing this, I am actually juicing it from the inside. So then when I cut it, it's gonna be more easier to get the juice that I want out and into my bowl over here. Since we got a lot of seed and pulp in the lemon juice, we're gonna have to drain it. Like so. There we go, and mix that in. It actually smells nice. Okay, so I will now do the same with the lime, and I'll be right back. Oh, brother. Here they are. Lemon and lime. Let's do a taste. So let's do the lemon first. This is the one that I'm most curious about. This is also the ingredient that this German lady suggested I should use. It's good. It gives you this lemony, fresh, well, maybe not so fresh, but you get this lemon flavor at the end of the taste journey, if I can say that. They're okay. Not too bad. But I think I'm gonna stick to my cinnamon. Let's try lime. Let's see if this is any different. It had kind of the same taste as the lemon one. I know for sure this is not lemon. It is lime, trust me. Okay, so conclusion. They're good, but they get this kind of lemony, bitter aftertaste. So if you don't like bitterness, then stay away from this. Not too bad. Okay, that was all I had for you today. But if you want to make Norwegian waffles yourself, I will put my Janorama waffle recipe down in the description area, so go check that out. And of course, Judy, thank you so much for the recipe. I'll keep that in mind if I want bitter pancakes, but for now, I think I'm gonna stick to my cinnamon. So for now, take care, and I see you in the next one.